Hello everyone. If you are new here, my name is Jess and welcome to my channel. If you are not, welcome back. Today I am so very excited, and I know they say that often, but I am so very excited because I am going to be doing my first ever mystery unboxing with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics mystery box. I got the biggest box that was $70, and for shipping it was $10.95 or $10 or something, which I thought was a bit much. But either way, I'm super excited to finally have this in my hands. Sorry, my dog is over here sniffing the boxes. And unfortunately, I was only able to get one box, but either way, I am so excited. I missed out on the last few that he has done, so super duper excited. I did see two other unboxings of people that got theirs fairly quickly. One was a small size and one was a medium size. So this is the first one that I'll be doing with the large size. So super excited to get started with this, and let me stop rambling and get right into this. Super cute pink packaging, lots of tissue paper. Ooh, goodies. All right, so first I am going to start with the pop socket here. I don't know if he sells this on his website, but I got a cute kind of bright orange color. Super cute. I do already have a pop socket, but it is kind of falling apart, so that's exciting. I can either keep it or give it to my husband, or, whatever. Next up, we have the lip scrub, the velour lip scrub in Rainbow Sherbet. I have been dying to try one of these ever since he came out with them. I just, for some reason, never bit the bullet and made the purchase. But I am super excited. I love Rainbow Sherbet, so I am going to give this a go. I love the packaging, and it's also, you do get such a lot of product. You get so much product in this. This would probably last me forever. Oh my God, it smells amazing, and it is this really cool green color. I'm going to go ahead and use it right now. Alright, took all of the dead skin off of my lips for the most part. Really excited to have this because, like I said, I've been wanting this for so long and just never made the purchase. But either way, super excited about that. Then next up, we have a super cute reusable straw in like a pretty pink color. How cute. I myself like to use a lot of tumbler glasses. I take them to work with me. Perfect for the office and behind the bar. So that's super nice. I'm glad he included this because we use a lot of plastic, and so this is something nice to have. I don't know how often I will actually use it. I don't use straws too often, but good addition here. Next up in the box, we have the Supreme Frost in Money Honey. I hope this isn't like a weird color. I just would hate to have it like a bright green color. Oh, would you look at that? It's a green color. So it's this super cool kind of like duochrome gold green color. That was my concern with getting the box, is that I would have stuff that I wouldn't be able to use on a daily basis or get a lot of use out of. But this is really pretty. It's got like a, I don't know if you can see it, but like a gold green pink hue to it. I don't know how much use I'll get out of this, but I guess it's nice to have. I'll play around with it and see if I can get it to work for my skin tone or not. I do like the packaging though, and it is a lot of product, but I just, with this color, I don't know how much I'm actually going to use it. For lip products, there are 4 liquid lips and 1 lip liner. So for lips, we have the color Diva in this super cute like light pink packaging. I am not a huge fan of pink. I don't like pink lipsticks, pink clothing, pink anything really. So this color Diva, I'm not going to get a whole lot of use out of. I'll go ahead and do a lip swatch and a hand swatch for you. Oh yeah, there's no way I would ever really wear this unless it's like costume party or some sort of specific look. So here is Diva applied. Like I said, I'm not really a huge pink fan, so probably not going to get a lot of use out of this. I'll give this to a friend or family member that'll enjoy this more than I will. Up next for the velour liquid lipsticks, we have the shade Poinsettia, which is this kind of really shimmery red shade. I already have this color somewhere in my collection. This was, I want to say, like the Christmas collection a few years ago, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong. But I'm not really a fan of metallic liquid lipsticks, but maybe for the holidays, it's this one here. And I'll go ahead and do a lip swatch as well. And there is Poinsettia swatched on the lips. Not terrible, but definitely not a color that I would wear very often. So that's 2 for 2 there that I probably won't get a lot of use out of, which is a bit unfortunate. But I mean, I guess they're nice to have if you like those kinds of colors. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Like I said, I believe I have this in my collection, but I never really used it. I bought the whole kit that came with all 7 of them, so it just came in the kit. But I probably won't get a lot of use out of this, like I said, unless maybe when it comes to like fall and winter, but definitely not something that I would wear nowadays. Next up, we have the shade Celebrity Skin. This is one of like his top sellers. Super, super nude color. I have a feeling that this is going to be too light, so if I do wear this, I will definitely have to wear a darker lip liner, and then I would also fill in the lips, and then put this on top, or just dab this in the center. Actually, swatching it, if you look at the swatch and then it in the tube, it is much lighter in the tube, I feel like, than it is swatched. So it's not as light as I thought it was. So I might actually wear this. All right, so here is Celebrity Skin on the lips. Not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I feel like Poinsettia and Diva kind of stained my lips, so I don't know how true to color this is, but I do like it. I still think that I would pair it with either a darker lip liner or just use this in the center with like another lip combination, but I don't hate it. So I do like this one more than the other 2 so far. And last up for the velour liquid lipsticks, I have the Mystery shade, which I think is so cute. I love the color of the packaging. So again, we have more of like a pinky nude color. I am just not a fan of pink. I'm a little disappointed with the box so far, to be honest. A lot of the stuff I won't use, all of the lipsticks with the exception of Celebrity Skin, I probably won't get a lot of use out of. So here is the Mystery lipstick swatched here. And I definitely don't think I'll get a lot of use out of the Skin Frost either. So here is the shade Question Mark swatched. Not a fan of this color either. I will probably wear it more than Diva, but still not something I would reach for on a daily basis or even monthly basis. Probably it's just going to sit in my collection, so I'll probably end up giving this to a friend or a family member. Out of this box, I only have 2 more items left, which is the lip liner and a clothing item. I was really hoping that there would be a palette of some sort, or a liquid Skin Frost, or I don't know, I just feel like this box was a little lackluster. And I mean, it is $70, so you are getting a really good deal. I'll do a total at the end, but I just feel like some of the previous mystery boxes were better. I would have paid, $85 to $90 to get either some lip ammunitions or just a better array of things, because for me, I got 4 velour liquid lips, which is cool, but at the same time, I would have preferred, some lip ammunitions, maybe a lip gloss, definitely a palette of some sort, or a highlighter. I know the Supreme Skin Frost, but these 4 items here, I won't ever use, so that's 4 items out of the 8 that I'm not going to use. So it's just not really at this point worth my money. And the pop socket is nice, but he's been putting pop sockets in all of the mystery boxes. So if you bought a mystery box previously, it's just another pop socket in a different color. So that's 5 items actually I probably won't use. So that's a little disappointing. But moving on to the lip liner. It is in the shade Doll Parts, and it again looks like a pinky color. Let me see if I can get it out of the box here. Pinky color here. So I do have 4 other lip liners, all of them nudes, but let's see, let's swatch this. All right, and that is the swatch of the lip liner there. Again, more of like a pinky mauve-y lip liner. I'm not a big fan of his lip liner formulas. I find them to be extremely drying. So if you like something that's long lasting, I will say it is long lasting, but I would prefer something that's, you know, maybe a little more gel-like than this. Not horrible. I still use my other ones, but just not my favorite. And then last, we have the clothing item here. I got mine in a size small. So here is the shirt here. This is very, very long. I don't know if it's a men's small or not, but I'm gonna stand up and see if I can catch this. It is just super, super long. And then it says, "Hi, how are ya?" on the back, which is cute. I like the font of this, kind of like 1970s vibes, but it's cute. It'll be one of those shirts that I'll wear to sleep or to the gym. I'll probably end up cutting it up just because it is so long and I have the world's shortest torso. So overall, definitely disappointed in this box. For it being my first ever mystery box, it was a little lackluster. I will say that the thing I am most excited about is the velour lip scrub, which is kind of sad. But let me give you the overall value of the box. Okay, so the total I came to was $157, but that doesn't include the straw or the pop socket. He doesn't have these on his website. He doesn't have this like a single one. There are packs of 4 for $20. So excuse me. So if you wanted to just add $5 for the straw, it'd come out to $162. And then for the shirt, this exact shirt I didn't see on the website, but similar shirts that were kind of plain with just one thing on the back plus the logo was about $25. So that came to a total of about $162, not including the price of the pop socket or the straw. But you subtract the price of the box, which was $70, comes out to $92. But if you include the shipping, comes out, you save about $82. So you do get a really good discount, or not discount, but you do get a really good deal, I would say. Just the unfortunate thing for me is that a lot of the colors that were in this box, especially the Supreme Skin Frost, I won't use, and that's just a little bit frustrating for me. In previous mystery boxes, they were a little bit larger and the price was a little bit higher, but I would have paid that higher price for more items and not necessarily kind of out there products. Now, the like Diva and the Mystery Color, they're just very, very bright pinks that I don't normally wear. And I know that it is like summer and a lot of people are more going towards brighter colors and corally colors, but for me, I just personally love a good nude or like real wearable kind of like dark, deeper colors. So for me, this box just didn't do it. I'm hoping in the future he goes back to how he was doing it before, where it's a little bit pricier, but you get either a mirror or a palette or a hoodie. I just feel like the things in this box just aren't for me. You never really know what items you're going to get, and that's just the thing with mystery boxes. So thank you guys so much for tuning in to this mystery unboxing with me, my very first one, and I plan on doing more of these in the future, hopefully, fingers crossed, with a better outcome. Until next time, thank you guys.